We are finally finishing that outdoor barbecue that we DIY'd. I feel like we've been working on this for months now. We've made so much progress and we had concrete countertops installed as well as this brick siding. It looks good as is, but the plan from the very beginning has been to paint the brick white. This is the vision and the final look that I'm hoping to achieve here. So I picked up a gallon of Behr MARQUEE Exterior Paint in a flat finish in the color Swiss Coffee and got to work. I've used Behr MARQUEE paint numerous times on outdoor projects, not only because it's dirt and fade resistant, but it also resists rain shortly after application and can adhere to chalky surfaces and select colors with one coat coverage, which is perfect because I'm painting brick veneer and I know it's going to be a challenge. When painting brick, it's also important to use a high density roller designed for stucco, brick, and concrete so you get deep into those rough surfaces. As I was painting, I discovered an effective technique for getting the paint deep into the grout and getting full coverage, and that was to use the roller and stamp into the grout line. Then I used a brush to stipple the paint into the deep grooves to cover any missed areas. The result turned out better than I expected, and I am so happy with how it all turned out. We just need to add a few last details and we're all ready to barbecue. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and follow for more home renovations and DIYs.